just a minute. Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore. 'Cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Yeah, waiting.
Hello again, everyone. I'm Scott.
And I'm Melissa.
Welcome to RV Rolling with MJ. Where are we today?
We are at the MetroWest Golf Club near Orlando, which is a Harvest Host location. And you have to have the golf membership in order to stay here.
We're parked in the rear parking lot area. We have the whole thing right now to ourselves. No other RVs are in sight. It's a beautiful day. It's probably right now in the low 80s. Very, very comfortable. So not sure we're going to need a generator for air conditioning tonight.
I don't know about that.
Okay.
We'll see about that because I am really
confident
hot.
we will not need the generator
we'll
tonight.
See. It's a little hot to me.
Yeah. Unfortunately, they don't have the restaurants open. We were hoping to get a bite to eat here, but Melissa will cook something up. What are you going to cook up tonight?
Actually, I already cooked it, and it's going to be lasagna that we had the other day that I made before, knowing that we were sort of boondocking. I didn't want to start cooking a whole lot.
If I would have known we would have got here so early, I would have brought my clubs and maybe get in 9 holes. But anyways, just as well. Tonight's the NFL draft, so we'll watch that on TV. I'm sure Melissa's very excited.
Oh yeah, I'll just do stuff on the computer.
Yeah, and we have Disney here. You can't see her, but she's down there. So it looks like a really nice place. If you're in the Orlando area, look it up, MetroWest.
Yeah, there isn't any reviews on Harvest Host. Maybe we'll be the first ones to put, but they were very nice. I checked in with the golf shop, and they just said just go and find a spot. And I was able. Harvest Host has this new thing where some places you can actually reserve directly from Harvest Host, and I actually did that. And then I got an email confirming, saying that we're all set up. I didn't have to call or anything, and everything worked out great.
Great. So hopefully we'll have a good night. Until then, we will see you down the road.
And to handle my emotions, I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. Out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. How could somebody be with someone else if you can't be by yourself? I got my problems. Lately I've been fading out, holding out, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotion. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. Every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time.
We just woke up. Well, Scott woke up already. I woke up, got ready, did the first time the quick shower, army shower, because we're boondocking, and it worked out pretty good. It was very nice. I'm taking a walk while Scott is working in the RV, and there's a path right behind the golf club on the main street, and I think I could see some golf views while I'm walking. We're not gonna have time to play golf. We were hoping to eat at the restaurant, but it looks like it's not open at the golf club. There's a bird over there. Hopefully there's no alligators. Oh, there goes the bird. I'll go a tiny bit closer, and that's it. This is the parking area where you can park your RV in the back lot. I would have loved it if we were able to park with this view, but there really isn't a place. But we still had a nice private area. And that spot was the shadiest spot in this whole back lot, so that's why we took it. We did have to run the generator. We didn't put it on until about 2 o'clock so we can have some air, but at first it was okay, but it was getting too hot.
And if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste